The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is back, louder, sharper, and more aggressive than ever before. Built to honor one of the most legendary muscle cars in American history, this modern Boss 429 combines raw V8 power with advanced technology, track-ready engineering, and unmistakable street presence. Under the hood sits a handcrafted 7.0-liter supercharged V8 engine pushing over 800 horsepower, delivering explosive acceleration and an unforgettable exhaust note. Every press of the throttle unleashes pure muscle car emotion, sending power to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission or an available 10-speed performance automatic. The upgraded suspension system, adaptive dampers, and performance-tuned chassis give the car razor-sharp handling while maintaining confidence at high speeds. The exterior design stays true to the heritage of the original Boss 429 while introducing a modern aerodynamic body. A larger front grille, aggressive hood scoop, functional air vents, widened fenders, carbon fiber splitter, rear diffuser, and active rear wing all work together to improve airflow and downforce. Signature LED lighting, sequential tail lamps, and exclusive Boss 429 badging make the car instantly recognizable from every angle. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Boss 429 blends classic muscle with modern luxury. Deep, bolstered performance seats wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara keep the driver planted during aggressive cornering. The digital cockpit features a fully customizable 13.2-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, performance telemetry, launch control settings, lap timers, and multiple drive modes including street, sport, track, and drag strip. Ford engineers equipped the Boss 429 with massed Brembo performance brakes, lightweight forged wheels, sticky performance tires, and an active exhaust system that allows drivers to switch from a civilized rumble to an all-out race-inspired roar. Advanced cooling systems help maintain peak performance even during demanding track sessions. Safety and driver assistance technologies include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, collision warning systems, and intelligent traction management designed specifically for high-horsepower driving conditions. Despite its race-ready personality, the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 remains comfortable enough for daily driving. The cabin offers premium audio, ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, wireless charging, and advanced connectivity features that keep drivers connected while enjoying one of the most powerful Mustangs ever built. The return of the Boss 429 is more than just another Mustang release. It represents the rebirth of a true American icon, a machine built for enthusiasts who crave brutal V8 power, timeless styling, and modern performance technology in one unforgettable package.